So YouTube reinstated a channel that was deleted like about 6 months ago. Now, here's exactly what happened and why the channel was deleted. Now, this person was actually live, and while making videos, while live streaming, then he decided to, get some of it to paste his Telegram channel on the live comment, and she did it like about 3 times, and YouTube considered this spam or mischievous behavior, or how they put it, maybe she's trying to scam, or maybe she's trying to redirect traffic from YouTube to another source, and they deleted the channel instantly. Now, normally when YouTube delete channel, that's the end of it. But after an appeal, they stated that the channel remained permanently deleted. So some few days ago, we decided to check one of her other channel, and then I stumbled on her deleted channel page. When you connect your YouTube account, let's say your Gmail to YouTube, it will tell you that this channel is deleted. You should sign in with another account. But instead, it was showing that she can appeal until a certain date, which was August. Then I knew that there's a chance of getting this channel back. So what I did was that I crafted an appeal and then did the appeal for her. And in less than 24 hours, YouTube reinstated a channel. The deleting of the channel was actually a very big mistake on YouTube part, because this was just someone trying to get some leads on a Telegram, and they just deleted it. And even after the first appeal, they never looked at it. I believe this one was being looked at by human reviewer, and then they reinstated it. This case is actually not applicable to every other channel. So if you've had a deleted channel, you have to check in the bottom. You have to log in with the email again. Let's say if it's like about 6 months or something, log in with the email again and check if there's any date that they say that you can appeal again. In most cases, those that are not eligible to appeal again, they are being told to apply for them to be able to create another channel. So let me know if this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.